I mean, can we just get into this packaging? Look at the details. Oh my gosh, this box is trying to not let me be great, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, yeah. All right, let's get into the video. I will say my hair feels super soft, and this is just the shampoo. Okay, so here's the finished look of my hair. I really love that it has bounce and it's just super defined from this twist out. Okay, so to wrap up this video, I have a few notes, yes, that I have prepared. Okay, so first up is the hydration shampoo. So from my experience, it was moisturizing and it was the right consistency. And as I stated in the video, it was my first time ever having a shampoo that left my hair feeling moisturized after I washed it. So next up was the intensive shampoo. That product was super moisturizing, and it really sealed the deal for me with pattern. Like, pattern can only go up from just using that product alone. And a side note with it, because I love the intensive conditioner so much, I really hope that in the future pattern creates a co-wash and styling cream line to really match that consistency and thickness of the intensive conditioner. I think that would really sell, and hey, if that ever comes into fruition, I would love to test that out. Okay, so up next is the leave-in conditioner. A little goes a long way, and by me using a serum, it really helps stretch the product. And so I would definitely recommend to make your own cocktail or use the serums that's already a part of Pattern Beauty to really stretch your leave-in conditioner, since I used the travel size version of the leave-in. And just overall, with my experience with Pattern Beauty, if you're a first-time user or you're a little hesitant about purchasing the products, I would recommend buying the travel size kit. And also for tighter textures like mine, I would really invest in the 13-ounce size conditioners, because I really like researching and purchasing items that really make the most sense, you know, because you're spending your money. So because the travel size already has the shampoo and the leave-in, it just makes sense to choose that and then just buy the full version of whatever conditioner matches your texture. Because I feel that when you use a travel kit as well as the full size, I feel like that's like your starter kit to like really have a well-rounded experience with Pattern Beauty. And just so to wrap it up, I would really recommend using Pattern Beauty. I like the results, and just Tracee Ellis Ross in general, she's amazing, and she's an inspiration to me. And so I really believed in the line, and it definitely met my expectations. And not only did it launch on my birthday, September 9th, but you know, I really feel like it was a labor of love, this hair care line. And so I thank you so much for watching my unboxing and review of Pattern Beauty. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you already purchased Pattern Beauty, or you have or you're still hesitant, please comment below your experiences, and I will happily share more about my experience so that you can, you know, make the right purchase for yourself. Thank you so much.